Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be explaining what the PHP if statement is and how it works. The if statement is used to execute a block of code based on a condition that is true. So if one condition is true, it will execute a block of code. If not, it doesn't execute the code at all. So let's take a look at a simple syntax for writing a basic if statement. So this is what the syntax looks like. You start with the if word, and then the condition for the statement for this block of code to execute goes inside the parentheses. So anything between the curly braces is the code that will be executed based on the condition set in here to be correct. If the condition set is not correct or is not met, then this code in between the curly braces will not get executed. So here's my example here. I've got a block of code inside my PHP code. I have a variable called x and I've set it to equals to date. Date is a built-in function that deals with date related data, and inside I've passed in h to represent hour, and here I'm saying if the variable x is less than 20, it will echo have a lovely day. The date, by the way, looks at the current time on your computer. So what it will do, it will output have a lovely day if the current time in hour is less than 20. And if it's not less than 20, this code between these curly braces will not execute. So you can see here, based on my local time, the hour is less than 20, so it's giving me an output of have a lovely day. So executed the block of code between the curly braces. If I was to reverse this to less than, that means the condition set will not be met based on my local time, and the block of code between the curly braces will not get executed. So I'm going to change this from less than to greater than, so you can see the result. So you can see when I've refreshed here, you can see no code gets executed. So the block of code in between the curly braces did not get executed because the condition has changed and it's not correct. The current time in hours on my local time is not greater than 20. So that makes this condition false. Therefore, this code here, have a lovely day, will not get executed. So that's basically how an if statement works in a nutshell. So that's it. In this lecture, I explained how an if statement works in PHP. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.